Hello students, today we are going to see amplifier using op-amp as an inverting non-inverting configuration, right? Uh, so this is the circuit board of op-amp as non-inverting amplifier. You can see that op-amp is been connected. You can see that op-amp is been connected. Op-amp is been connected. 741 IC is there. You can see the feedback path is there, and as it is operated in non-inverting configuration, input is given to the non-inverting terminal, right? That is terminal number 3, right? Here input will be given. Now we have offset null over here. Offset null is a procedure where when you will not apply any signal in the input terminal, then also when you will switch on this power supply, at that time you will find some voltage over there, voltage at the output of op-amp, now that can create, this voltage can create an extra error, this voltage can create extra error in the our output signal. So today we will see first that how to make offset null, how to set offset null for an operational amplifier, right? Now first I will show you the circuit connections. What I have connected, I have connected plus 12, common, and minus 12. Let us see. This minus 12 is been connected to minus terminal over here. This common is connected to this common of the battery, and plus 12 is connected to plus 12 of the battery. Fine. So this is the power supply connection of op-amp as non-inverting amplifier for offset null we are doing. Now for offset null the input has to be 0, means I have to sort the terminals. You can see I have sorted the terminals, means the input voltage is 0 volt, right? Now for this feedback network I have selected one of the supply, one of the resistor, that is 5k, that is I have to connect it to complete the circuit, fine. And the output has to be given to multimeter, you can see this is the negative, this is the negative terminal. I am connecting to the negative of the multimeter, and this is the positive. I have already connected to the positive of the circuit, right? Output voltage, fine. So you should have a look on this, that how the multimeter is working. This is in DC range, DC millivolt range, right? Now let me first of all switch on the supply. The moment I switch on the supply, right, that LED glows, this LED glows, and I will get some DC voltage at the output. Remember, we have not connected any supply, any signal to the input, still we are getting 7.6 millivolt DC output, that is output of an op-amp. Now in order to get the perfect circuit, we have to set this offset null, this knob, this potentiometer in such a way that I can get 0 DC at the output, because input is 0, then output has to be 0, output cannot be have some voltage, right? Now you observe that I am rotating this knob, and there will be a certain change in the DC voltage, you can see. Now I am rotating in clockwise direction, you can see voltage is suddenly changing, right? It is increasing now, right, in clockwise. Now so let me go to anti-clockwise, so that it will reduce, now it is reducing, still it is reducing, still it is going down, yes, 1.5, 0.2 millivolt, 0.1 millivolt. Fine. So this is the minimum one. This is the minimum voltage what we can achieve, right? Still small error 0.2 0.1 millivolt will be there, that can be neglected as compared to the previous one. So this is the adjusted knob for the lowest output, that is near about 0. This is near to 0. This value is near to 0, right? So this is all about the offset null procedure, right? This is all about the offset null procedure. Fine. Where we have adjusted to 0. It will vary for some reason. Let us try to change again. Yes, this is the minimum value. This is the 0. You can see now I have adjusted to 0. So this is the procedure for offset null. Now remember, this offset null procedure you have to follow for each and every op-amp practicals. This is not for op-amp non-inverting amplifier. This is not only for this practical. This procedure has to be followed for each and every practical where you are using op-amp, where you are using operational amplifier IC. There you have to use this offset null procedure in order to make the output voltage 0 when input voltage is shorted, when the input terminals are shorted. You can see this has been shorted. Fine, this is shorted. So this is all about the offset null procedure. Okay, thank you.